How to turn on or turn off accessibility voice feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on vision enhancements. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Bixby Vision for accessibility. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on voice feedback. Tap on a toggle button to switch off or turn on voice feedback. And here's a read the results of searches aloud. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.